Okay. So in this tutorial, what we will do is we'll plot the diode IV characteristics. Okay. So go to File, New, Cell View, and so we'll create a cell named Diode, TB Diode IV in the library Tutorial-1. Okay. So here what we will do is we'll use a diode from our PDK library, that is GPDK45. The diode cell name in this particular library, it is called as NDIO. Okay. I'll just place it and I'll add a DC source. Okay. So this DC source voltage we are going to vary and measure the current, right? So just click on VDC and mention the DC voltage as Vx, let's say. Okay. Now let us bring a ground. Okay. Now save it. Okay. So this is our test bench which is ready. Now go to launch. AD assembler. Create new view. Okay. Okay. So here click on add test. Diode IV schematic. Okay. So before adding analysis, what I'll do is I'll click to I'll just add the design variable, that is Vx, that we added to the voltage source. So double click to the design variable. Here click on copy from cell view variables and you can see the variable has appeared. Okay. So let me just mention it to 0.1 and press OK. Okay. So this Vx we are going to sweep from, let's say, 0.01 to 1.8 volts or maybe 1.2 volt, and then we'll see how the diode IV characteristic is obtained. Okay. Now click to add analysis. Go to DC analysis. Okay. And click on sweep variable as the design variable. Here, so whatever design variable we have added in this window, so that will appear if we click on select design variable. Okay, just double click this one. Okay, and I want to sweep this variable from 0.01 to 1.2. Okay, let me keep the sweep type as linear this time. Okay. Okay. So step size by what value I want to increment the sweep. So let's say I'll keep the step size as 50 millivolt step size, and okay. Okay. Now let me add the outputs. So click on output. We plot it, select on design, and so if you press a node, so that is going to select your current. Okay. If you click on a wire, it will select your voltage, but if you click on a node, it will select your current. So I'll just click on this node. Okay. And you can see I have the node D0 slash plus. Okay. So whenever you see a plus or a minus, so it means some node current is going to be plotted. Okay. Now I can run the simulation. Okay. So here we can see the diode IV characteristics. Okay. So and whatever plots are being generated, so you can modify or edit the width, style and type of the plots as per your requirement. So let's say I want to make it a bit thicker, so I can just click on thick, and you can see the thickness of the plot has increased. Okay. You can also place marker. Okay. So you can okay, over to some point and press M. Okay. And you can see a marker has been created. You can also move the marker like we did last time. Okay. So let us say I want to see at 0.8 what is the current through the diode. So specific X value, and I'll write 0.8. Okay, so you can see the marker has shifted, and now it is showing the current through the diode as 10.1107 microamps. Okay, and this is how you obtain your diode characteristics. Okay.